Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to watch series, movies or any kind of thing on your ITVX. Now if you want to watch on ITVX but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So let's get started. Now you can watch ITVX, formerly ITV Hub, from your various device. Now if you want to watch from PC or laptop, then you need to go on ITVX on your web browser and you may simply sign in or create a free account on ITVX and you may start streaming. But if you are using from Chrome, you need to simply open Play Store or App Store on your device, and after that you need to install the ITVX app, and after installing you need to simply sign into your account. Now you need to enter the postcode also, so enter the postcode, or you may simply skip this step for now. So after that, here you will see, after logging in, you will be able to go on this home page, and here you will see the various number of series. So if you want to watch the Vampire Diaries, you may simply click on it, and now here you'll see the option of watch now. So you may select the option of watch now, and you may also select the episode which you are watching by scrolling down a bit, and you may also download it from here. So if you click on the option of watch now, currently I'm not signed in. If you're signed in, you will be able to watch it in a very easy step. So that's it. That's how you can watch on ITVX. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.